Hey everybody, I'm back to talk about 4.MBT.5 multiplication strategies, 2-digit times 2-digit, traditional algorithm, which is the way your parents were taught when they were your age. So they should be a big help if you have any questions as well. If you could please just watch this video through once and then watch it a second time and pause it where you need to copy your notes into your notebook. Okay, first thing that I need you to do is to head your notebook page so that we know what we're studying on that page. And we're gonna go ahead and start talking about the traditional algorithm. So these are the steps that you're gonna take to do problems that look like this, 2 digits by 2 digits. The first way we start is we're gonna be dealing with the first number, the ones place, the number in the ones place on the bottom. And you've done this already before, you know the steps. You can use your finger. Sometimes it helps kids to have their finger on it down like this and then to write with their other hand. Of course, I'm holding the camera, so I can't do that. Or another step that we've used in the past is also to use a sticky note. So if it's too hard for you to keep your finger like that and you have some sticky notes, you could always cover the second number, the number in the tens place on the bottom, cover that with a sticky note or a note card or even the corner of a piece of scrap paper if that helps you, just to keep you kind of on track. That's a little tidbit of information, a little strategy, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do, like I said, is just like we would normally do. So we're gonna go straight up. So we're gonna go from the ones place to the ones place. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm gonna use my pencil. 3 times 4 is 12. So I put the 1 and the 2. And now I'm gonna go to the tens place. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 on top is 4. Okay, so this is where we would stop with the 1 digit, but we have 2 digits on the bottom number. So I need to make sure I take care of this tens place. So what I do for that, and you can see over here, is the second step. I will tell you to clean the house and make mom happy. Okay, this is very similar to the turtle head method that you've watched the video for, where you draw the turtle head and you cross off his collar and drop an egg. My version is called clean the house, make mom happy. I guess it's because I'm a mom. I like that strategy. So go ahead, and what I mean by clean the house is you're going to erase up on the top any carrying that you had already done. So that's what cleaning the house is. Then I'm gonna draw a smiley face to be my happy mom, and I'm gonna put her in the ones place on the bottom. So she always goes in the same place. The happy mom always goes in the ones place directly below this one at the bottom, okay? Now I'm going to be done using that 2. So again, if that is something that bothers you, you can go ahead with your sticky note or your little note card or piece of paper and cover up that number. Now you're going to be using the 2 in the tens place. I'm sorry, I think I said done with the 2. We were done with the 3 in the ones place. Now we're going to use the number in the tens place. So if you would like to cover that up somehow, you can, like that. I have mom in the ones place. She's ready to go. Now I'm gonna go with this number over to the ones place. This is the trickiest part where kids make mistakes, is that they go straight up. So we're not gonna go straight up in this one because we always start with the ones place. So 2 times 4, because this 4 is in the ones place. 2 times 4, and I'm gonna write my answer, is 8. And 2 times 1 is 2. I put that right in front, okay? Now I have 2 digits, which I'm going to add together, just like this. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And so my answer is 322. And I look up and I make sure 14 groups of 23. Yeah, that sounds like an appropriate answer. You could also round these and multiply 2 just to make sure it's not totally outlandish. Okay, here's some other problems down here at the bottom that we're going to practice with the strategy. Again, we're still using all these same steps. We're going to do just like we did the first time. Then we're going to clean the house and make mom happy. We're going to multiply using the number in the tens place the very same way we did with the number in the ones place. And then we're going to add to get our answers. Okay, here we go. So here's the next problem, 24 times 16. So feel free to use a sticky note or a card or your finger if you would like. We're going to go straight up, and this time to the ones place. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 8. Okay, now I'm cleaning the house. I'm making mom happy. She goes in the ones place. She's smiling. I'm done with this 6, so if you want to cover that up, you can, just like that. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. I add it right to the front. Once I'm done, I add these together. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 8, 8 plus 4, 12. And 2 plus 1, 3. So I got 324 for that answer. Okay, next one. Same way, I'm gonna go straight up with the ones place. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. Plus 2 is 34. Clean the house. Mom's happy. Don't forget she goes in the ones place. There she is. I'm done with the 8. You can cross it off if you want. You can use your sticky note if you want. You can put your finger over it if you want. Whatever works best for you. I'm going to go to the ones place. 1 times this is the number in the tens place on the bottom, over to the ones place. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. Now I'm going to add those two together. 4, 7, and 7. So my answer is 774. Okay, here are 2 more practice problems. You might want to pause the video here and give these a practice and then see if our answers match, or maybe do one at a time. It's up to you, but this is all meant to help you with practice. Okay, you can use your sticky note, you can use the note card, a corner of the paper, your finger, whichever strategy works best for you. Here we go. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. Plus the 3, 43, 44, 45. We'll put that right on front. Cleaning the house, making Mom happy. There she is in the ones place. Now I'm done with the 7. I can cover it up if I would like. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. Plus the 1, 13. There we go. Now I add these two together. 5, 5, 7, 1. 1,755. Okay, next one. Starting off the same way, so just like I normally did. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 1, 9. Plus 7, 16. Clean the house. Make Mom happy. There she is. Now I'm done with that number, so if you want to use the sticky note, you sure can. 8 times 2, 16. 2 times 1, 2. Plus the 1, 3. I'm going to add these 2 rows together. 2, 6 plus 6 is 12, so 3 plus 1 is 4, plus the other one is 5, 522. All right, that's the traditional way. We're gonna practice some more in class. Feel free to ask me any questions you might have, and I hope that we will get the hang of this. Don't stress out. Just let me know if I can help you, and keep practicing. You will get it. Feel free to watch the video as many times as you need to until it clicks. And again, ask me any questions you need to help yourself. All right, thanks.